In this video, we are going to see the types of transmission media in computer networks. First, we can see what is a transmission medium. It is a physical path between transmitter and receiver. That is, it is the channel through which the data is sent from one place to another. So transmission media has two types, that is guided media and unguided media. That is, guided is the wired one, which has a twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. And unguided media is the wireless, where the transmission media can be radio waves, microwave and the infrared waves. So we can see them one by one in this video. First, we can see the guided media. It is also referred to as the wired or bounded transmission media. And the signals being transmitted are directed and confined in a narrow path by using physical links. And the features of this guided media are high speed, secure, and used for comparatively shorter distances. And first, we can see the guided media, which involves three cables, that is twisted pair, coaxial and fiber optic cables. And we can see them one by one. First, we can see the twisted pair cable. This consists of two separately insulated conductor wires wound about each other. They are the most widely used transmission media. And they consist of two types, that is unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. And in our channel we have a separate video on the types of network cables that involves the wired media, network media, that is twisted pair, coaxial and fiber optic. But in this video we are covering the unguided media, that is wireless media also. So there in that video I have given the pictures of the twisted pair cables and the coaxial and fiber optic cables. You can check that video also. And this UTP consists of two insulated copper wires twisted around one another. This type of cable has the ability to block the interference. So it is used for telephonic applications. And this shielded twisted pair consists of a special jacket to block external interference. It is used in the fast data rate, Ethernet and invoice and data channels of telephone lines. Next, we can see the coaxial cable. It has an outer plastic covering containing an insulation layer made of PVC or Teflon and two parallel conductors, each having a separate insulated protection cover. And cable TVs and analog television networks widely use these coaxial cables. This transmits information in two modes. One is the broadband mode and next one is the baseband mode. In our channel we have a separate video on this also, and the difference between broadband and baseband mode of communication. You can check that. I have given the description, the link of this in the description box. And next we can see what is a fiber optic cable. This the core is this uses the concept of refraction of light through a core made up of glass or plastic. The core is surrounded by a less dense glass or plastic covering called the cladding, and it is used for the transmission of large volumes of data. The cable supports two modes. One is the unidirectional mode and bidirectional mode. And next we can move to the unguided media. That is also referred to as wireless or unbounded transmission media. Here no physical medium is required for the transmission of electromagnetic signals, and the features are the signal is broadcasted through air and less secure, and these are used for larger. Next we can move to the unguided media, and where it involves three types of media, that is radio waves, microwaves, infrared. And first we can see what are radio waves. These are easy to generate and can penetrate through buildings, and the sending and receiving antennas need not be aligned. So FM and AM radios and cordless phones use these radio waves for transmission. Next, we can see what are microwaves, and it is a line of sight transmission, that is sending and receiving antennas need to be properly aligned with each other. And these are majorly used for mobile phone communication and television distribution. And moving to the infrared, these are used for very short distance communication and they cannot penetrate through obstacles. This prevents interference between systems, and it is used in TV remotes, wireless mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. So this is about the unguided media. And subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.